Hi guys, long time no see in this video from Shanghai Vision Company. Today we will have a talk about the difference between our 100 gram sublimation transfer paper and our 108 ink matte coated transfer paper. As you see, our 100 gram sublimation transfer paper with our pink backside and another one with yellow backside. It's known to all, these two chips are can use for transferring sublimation blanks. For their difference, most people know about it very little. So next, let's to make it clear together. Because ink absorption of 108 gram inkjet matte paper is stronger than our 100 sublimation paper, so for the final printing images is more colorful. Okay, now let's see how about the transferring effects on the mark with these two. As for a 108 matte paper belong to quick drying, so when you start the transferring, you can use it at once after printing. But for a 100 sublimation paper after you print it, you need to wait 3 to 5 minutes. For transfer t-shirts, our 100 gram sublimation paper will be the best choice for you. If you want to transfer some hard materials like matte sheet, focus, and sublimation mark, our 108 gram matte paper can be replaced for our 100 sublimation paper.